Got 2018 Takeuchi TL12 V2. Skidsteer will be selling our upcoming online equipment auction. Unit fired right up, no problem. Does come with a bucket, smooth bucket, hydraulic quick attach. This unit is standard flow. Got the front door, slides down. It's just the separation on the glass is not glued right or something. But it does run up and down. Hours just under 3,500, 3,490. Quick attach works. Two-speed works. Radio works. Once again, it does come with a bucket, smooth bucket. Check this unit out, our upcoming online equipment auction, SextonAuctioneers.com.